everyone, my name's Kathy, welcome to Skip Living UK. Today I'm doing another £1 or less meal and I'm using some leftover boiled rice. So in a pan I've got 1 egg cooking with a little slosh of milk. I mixed it together with a fork and I cooked it in a very hot pan. It can be a frying pan or a wok, it doesn't matter. Next I'm going to tip in a bit of onion that I've left over. Couple of mushrooms, just basically use what was left over in the fridge at the end of the month, and half a pepper. Next I'm going to add 3 slices of this chicken, which is 89p a packet, so it works out 9p a slice. So I've whipped up 3 slices and that goes in as well. Mix it all up. Sorry, twirling, you've got one hand. Add some soy sauce for flavour and colour. And then I'm going to tip in the rice. The spice that I've got here is called Chinese 5 spice. It's very cheap, reasonable, tasty. It has a mixture of spices, one of which is star anise, which is quite aniseedy. Another glug of soy sauce, and stir it all. So it's a great way to use whatever you've got left over in your fridge. You could also use some tinned sweet corn, or garden peas, or mushrooms you can get tinned, or even a rash or 2 of bacon. It's just a way of using up all your odds and bits and bobs that you've got left over in the cupboard, left over in the fridge, to make yourself a nice, tasty fried rice. As always, more information will be in the description box below. And if you could possibly, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!